Writing a report 2. What does the style of a report look like? The tone is formal. The format is in the memo layout. On the top left-hand side of the page, you should have 4 lines: recipient's name and/or title, sender's name and/or title, the date, the reference number, the subject or the title. Write in sections of introduction, findings, conclusions, or recommendations. Remember, the conclusions should not contain your opinions or any new information. You may draw the most obvious and logical conclusions based on the findings and put them in this section. Make use of the useful expressions below for writing the report. Introduction. In order to learn more about the purpose of this report is to 120 people were surveyed in this study. This report aims. This report intends to. This report sends out to. Findings. The survey shows that. The survey revealed that 40% of the people surveyed believed that. 80% of the people thought that. It was discovered that. Conclusion. It can be concluded that the findings suggest that it is recommended that. We recommend that. Our recommendation is that. Please note that you should use passive voice in the conclusion. Practice. Proofread the following sentences found in students' written reports. Number 1. This report aimed at understand students' satisfaction of the Information Technology Services Center at school. Number 2. The questionnaire consists of 2 parts. The first part collects information about the respondents. The second part focuses on the respondents' opinion regarding the general use of the Information Technology Services Center. You may now pause the video and try the practice first, and start the audio again to check the answer. Answer for number 1. This report aims at understanding students' satisfaction of the Information Technology Services Center at school. The answer for number 2 is the questionnaire consists of 2 parts. The first part collects information about the respondents. The second part focuses on the respondents' opinion regarding the general use of the Information Technology Services Center. Number 3. The purpose of this report is to find ways to improve the Information Technology Services Center. Number 4. There are 50 questionnaires were distributed to students who visit the Information Technology Services Center on the 26th to the 31st of March. Number 5. The respondents were remained anonymous so that they could give comments freely. You may now pause the video and try the practice first. Then start the audio again to check the answers. The answer for number 3. The purpose of this report is to find out ways to improve the Information Technology Services Center. Number 4. 50 questionnaires were distributed to students who visited the Information Technology Services Center from the 26th to the 31st of March. Number 5. The respondents remained anonymous so that they could give comments freely. Number 6. Almost all 92% of the respondents were satisfied with the equipment provided in the center. Number 7. The majority, 71% of the respondents were interested in using the services provided by the center. Number 8. The majority of the interviewee reported that they visited the center every day. You may now pause the video and try the practice first, and start the audio again when you finish. The answer for number 6. Almost all 92% of the respondents were satisfied with the equipment provided in the center. Number 7. The majority, 71% of the respondents, were interested in using the services provided by the center. Number 8. The majority of the interviewees reported that they visited the center every day. Number 9. It is recommended that more staffs should employ. Number 10. In conclude, the center is important to enhance its publicity so that more students know its service. You may now pause the video and try the practice, and start the audio again to check the answers. Number 9. It is recommended that more staff should be employed. Number 10. In conclusion, or to conclude, it is important for the center to enhance its publicity so that more students know its service. This is the end of this topic. You may now try the exercise on the next page and check the answers yourself. Bye bye.